Editing cell contents. We can edit the contents of the cells by 3 ways. 1. By using F2 key. Move the cursor to the cell whose content you want to edit. Press F2. Make the changes. Press Enter. 2. Using the formula bar. Move the cursor to the cell whose content you want to edit. Click on the formula bar. Edit the contents. Press Enter key. 3. By double-clicking in the cell. Move the cursor to the desired cell. Double-click in the cell. Make the changes in the cell. Press Enter key. Aligning cell content. We can change the alignment of the cell content to left, right, or center. By default, the alignment is left. There are 2 methods to change the alignment. Using the menu. Click on the cell that you want to align. Go to Format menu and choose Alignment option. Select the desired alignment, vertical or horizontal. Click on OK. Using the Formatting toolbar. Click on the cell that you want to align. Go to the Alignment option on the Formatting toolbar. Choose the alignment as per your requirement, vertical or horizontal. The cells will be aligned as per your requirement.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.